Hi, this is Scott Allen from Pluralsight, and this module is an introduction to ASP.NET MVC3. This module serves two purposes. First, I'll describe the content available in the rest of this course, and secondly, I'll provide a quick and sweeping introduction to ASP.NET MVC. The majority of the content in this course is devoted to new features introduced with ASP.NET MVC3. For example, Microsoft implemented a new view engine in MVC3, the Razor View Engine. In the Razor module, I'll demonstrate the syntax and benefits of Razor. Once you see the beautiful syntax, you'll never want to work with ASPX files again. I also have a module demonstrating NuGet. NuGet is a package manager for .NET and Visual Studio. If you are a developer who relies on open source or other frameworks that do not come with .NET Framework, you'll love how NuGet allows you to quickly add a reference to your favorite libraries. In the Model module, I'll demonstrate some of the validation features in MVC3, including self-validating models, unobtrusive JavaScript validation on the client side, and an improved API for validation attributes. I also cover the new dependency resolver in MVC3. This central component allows you to easily extend and customize the MVC framework. If you rely on dependency injection in your software design, then you'll find this new dependency resolver makes your life easier. Finally, I'll also cover some of the new features around controllers in MVC, including new types of action results and global action filters. If you are an experienced MVC developer, you'll probably want to jump into the new content. If you are new to ASP.NET MVC or need a quick refresher, then stick around and I'll give you all the important need-to-know items for the MVC framework over the next 30 to 40 minutes. Of course, we won't be able to cover all the details of the MVC framework in this introduction. For this, I'm going to let you know that the previous MVC courses here in the Pluralsight library, they are still relevant. So if you want to drill into the processing pipeline and see how controllers work at a low level, then visit our MVC Fundamentals course. All of the content here is still relevant for MVC3. We also have an Advanced Topics course if you want to see some best practices or see how to follow a test-first development approach to building an application with MVC. We also have some modules specific to MVC2, and again, these are still relevant. These are new features that were introduced in MVC2. For example, the Controllers module in this course will demonstrate how to use an async controller to achieve better throughput if you need to perform blocking operations in a controller like calling a web service. So if you're new to MVC, then you'll eventually want to go back and visit some of these previous courses. But for now, strap yourself in and prepare yourself for an introduction.